Iba yun, iba yun. Hi, how much? It's on sale, so this one
Hey.
cheap for now. It's 50% off. Hi, shout out to Rahul. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's good. This is for my son. 80% off pala. 80%
Yellow
off.
tag.
Yeah. This one is, what is this? This is red tag. How much for the red tag? Ako na magtingin. Lang tiwala. Okay na yun sa'yo. Tas insert.
No, it's
Ay, ay, ay.
oh, good.
Mm. That's nice one. Maganda yan, B. Timing ka ngayon. How about that one? The other one. The light blue. Hmm.
Ganda rin.
Kuha na. Malaki.
Yeah.
Sige daw, suot mo. $2? $4, not $2. Nice one. Uy, ganda siya sa'yo,
Ah,
B.
gusto ko to.
Pang Christmas. Gusto mo yan? Hi, Kuya Lon. Good morning. Mm,
Okay.
mahaba siya eh. Maganda. Okay lang. Morning, Kuya Lon.
Kahit di mo siya sa akin.
Yeah. This one, this one. Can you get this one? The other one, the blue, the maroon.
Sa ganda ko ito.
Aman.
Ganito.
Yes, $4.
Ganito yung una ko.
No, hindi rin, hindi pa rin. Hindi ganyan.
Ito.
Hmm? Ang ganda rin siya. Ayaw mo man long sleeve eh. Oh, look at that one. Ganda to be.
Maganda. Hindi mo kasi sa akin. Kahit yan ang ganda niya.
Large pala. Mura lang. Ay! May mancha. Oh, from Switzerland. Shout out, Switzerland. You are watching from Switzerland. Thank you.
Good na tamay.
Like that? How about this? I will buy this one. For Tio. How about the other blue? You don't like those things? Sige, okay na. The pants na. Pants na tayo.
Pants na marami kong pants doon.
Ayaw mo. Sige. This one is good. What is that? Oh. Loko.